Yes, can we talk about the 5-3-2 formation that was employed by Hugo Bros in Bafana Bafana's World Cup opener against Mexico? So that formation, I don't like 5-3-2 or 3-5-2 because it's a 5-3-2 formation in defense and it moves into a 3-5-2 when the team is attacking. It's not my favorite formation, but I kind of understand why some coaches decide, to go with that formation, especially in tight games. We've seen it work in the past. We've seen Ruben Amorim. Ruben Amorim ushaya uPep Guardiola ngathi yashaya 5 i-team lana day coach iSporting sayishaya nga5 Man City angazi 5 bani 5-2 or 5-1 bayixebula nje kabi Man City ngaleya formation. I-Man City because they were so good on the ball. So i-team very good on the ball sometimes mangabe ungafuni ukuba arrogant you go 5-3-2 emove. We saw iPirates. Ukhumbula iPirates yakashaya 4-1 iSundowns eLoftus. Yathi masifika FNB kwi-second leg kule yasizini le umfuke ngeshaya ibrace yadlala 5-3-2 Dino van Rooyen operating as the wing backs. Dino van Rooyen benohot and then emumva there was uXoki noMbokazi noSibisi mawukhumbula kahle. Then esiswini kwakuDlamini kulokhuzana kuMakhawula kuMbatha. Then umfukeng no Makgopa be up front. It worked. They scored 2 early goals. It worked because bakora amagoli Sundowns, but Pirates was under pressure in that game. I was there at FNB Stadium. But Sundowns ngoba ikoranga sathi it worked, right? We saw Italy playing against the golden generation of Spain. They were so difficult to play against because they are so good on the ball, keeping possession of the ball. Bekunokhe ubetis. Italy yabashaya ku-Euro 2016 idlala i-5-3-2 or 3-5-2. That formation because they had 3 strong centre backs. It was Bonucci, it was Bazzali, it was Chiellini. Babedlala Juventus. They won the league with Juventus multiple times playing that way under Antonio Conte. Antonio Conte with Italy was also the same formation. We saw Chelsea Antonio Conte doing the double over Man City and winning the league 2016-2017 playing that formation. I remember it was Cahill, David Luiz, Arthur. Then ama wing backs beku Victor Moses, Marcos Alonso, then eswini kube Matic no Lokhuzana kube Matic no Ngolo Kante, and then phambili kube Pedro kube Hazard kube Diego Costa. Uyayikhumbula kuyi 3-4-3. Angithandi kodwa mina 3-man defense masikhuluma iqiniso. We saw iChelsea kaThomas Tuchel beating iMan City 3 times. Beating iMan City 3 times iChelsea kaThomas Tuchel. Idlala i-3-5-2 or 3-4-3 or 5-3-2 but that formation ena 3 center backs beyidlala yona bayishaya kwi-league 2021 bayishaya kwi-league bayiphinda ku-FA Cup bayiphinda ku-Champions League final kuze Goro Havertz mawukhumbula kahle bedlala uTimo Werner phambili kudlala uLokhuzana bekuyi-3-4-3 bedlala uTimo Werner phambili udlala uLokhuza uHavertz kudlala uMason Mount. It worked yabo sathi hayi tactical masterclass tactical genius mina ngiyithandi because njenga ku-Manchester United nje wathi ufika na uRuben Amorim yangasebenza abanye abadlali mabengayijwayele bagcina bedideka positionally ukuthi benze njani nama-spaces okumele ba-occupy and all that. Sibonile ku-Manchester United ingasebenzi that formation. We saw uKhompela ezama kwi-Chiefs cishe sibulawa abalandeli be-Chiefs lapha eLokhuzeni FNB Stadium bedlala ne-Free State Stars ubesenakho ukudlala vele i-3-man defense mawukhumbula i-left wing back kwakuwuZulu then i-left center back kulama center back awu-3 kuwuMasilela mawukhumbula kahle le formation ekade idlala ebadlwanye inkomo othiwa uChilimbo. Sometimes abadlali be-Manchester United have watched Manchester playing that thing for almost 2 seasons. You could see they are even thinking, should I go? Should I not? What should I do? It's difficult to play against that formation, but it's even more difficult to play that formation. Mawukuthi awujwayele ayakhelwanga kuwo. Into yokudlala ngoChelsea le yana abathi mvela bhora ya defendayo bese yakushaya hohoro. Into yokudlala ngoJuventus, into yokudlala ngoInter. Ngeke nje uyifake kuBarcelona le yanto nakuManchester United ama-team vele azothi attack. So mina ngiyam-understand ukuthi uBruce why edlale that formation because he was scared of Mexico. But mangabe sibuya ku-second half ukuze abadlali bekhululeke you could see ukuthi abadlali beBafana we didn't make any final third entries. We couldn't make any final third entries. Like we didn't. Like we struggled. Ngesikhathi sebuya mina bengithi akayidlale okay ku-right I understand why he played that formation to read the game. Mangabe sebuya hayi coach mangabe usubuya buyela kwi-back 4 hayi back 3 i-back 3 ayisebenzeli noma i-back 5 ayikaze it's not in the DNA of South Africans to play that way yabo akukaze ubungakwenza nje ukufunda igame but ngeke si-attack so lokhu si-absorb i-pressure kuze kube nini mawuzodlala that formation. Mina bese ngizothi ikhulule man ayiphefumule man i-team iphefumulise man ihambe idlale man kube right but ngiya-understand why iqale kanje but ukuthi why he continued like that, but coach ke ba stable mabeke badlala formation angazi ukuthi yabadlisa ngani. No Amorim kwathiwa akashintshe Manchester dlala that thing, angafuna ukushintsha. Labo coach abadlala iback 3 masuka abatshenta bashintshe hayi baba khohlwa Antonio Conte kuphela ucoach okoshaya la formation mayibona ukuthi yamhlula noma mayibona abadlala bayilungela abakwazi ukuyidlala abadlalise ilokhuzana iback 4 kahle nje bidlale kahle nje team ngendlela ejwayelekile ikori win. But engikushoyo we've seen this formation isebenza in the past against dominant teams